Let's talk about a family promise from the 1800s that totally changed contract law forever. So here's the big question. Can you actually get paid for not doing something? Let's find out. All right, so our story starts with a guy named William Story and a pretty wild offer to his nephew.
The deal was simple. The uncle offered big cash if his nephew stayed clean until he turned 21.
And we're talking $5,000. Back then, that was an absolute fortune. Seriously. So what exactly did the nephew have to give up for all that cash? Well, it's quite a list. And you know what? He did it. He kept his promise, and on his 21st birthday, he asked for the money. But here's the twist. The uncle died, and his estate flat out refused to pay up. The executor, Sidway, basically said, hey, the kid didn't give up anything of value, no contract. Their logic? Good behavior only helped the nephew himself. So where's the loss? What did he really give up? So this all landed in court, raising a huge question. Was this a real contract or just a promise?
And what did the court say? Let's get to the ruling.
Boom. The court sided with the nephew. They said it was an enforceable contract. The estate had to pay. But why? Well, it all came down to one crucial legal idea, something called consideration. So what is consideration? And why was giving something up, or forbearance, so important here? Think of consideration as the price of a promise. It's what each side puts on the table. Now here's the key takeaway. The person making the promise doesn't actually have to benefit from it. Instead, the court focused on what the nephew gave up. The legal term for that is forbearance. By giving up his legal right to do those things, the nephew paid his price. That was his consideration. Okay, so this isn't just some dusty old case. It has huge lessons for modern business. So let's break down the big takeaways for anyone making deals or managing a team today. Remember, even casual promises can be real contracts if there's consideration on both sides. Be careful. Knowing this helps you make stronger deals and, avoid getting sued. It's that important. So here's something to think about. In your own work, what promises truly have value?